The Mediterranean diet, which brings together carefully jointed common food types and healthful habits with the proper amount of fish, beans, grains, poultry, and olive oil, is one of the most popular diets people enthusiastically follow. And the diet's vast following is not surprising, as it promotes a healthy and happy life for many. But still, for newcomers trying to get their feet wet into the world of the Mediterranean diet, figuring out what to and not to eat can be confusing. What not to eat on the Mediterranean diet? Dieters will want to limit processed foods in general. Red meats, refined grains, and sugary foods are also on the do not eat list. The occasional glass of red wine is acceptable, but dieters should avoid hard liquor and beer. Here is a quick checklist: refined grains, processed meats, processed foods in general, sugary foods, hydrogenated oil, red meat. The breakdown. Don't worry, we will make that task easier for you. Without further ado, here is the list of foods you should avoid on the Mediterranean diet. 1. Refined grains. Try staying away from refined grains such as white rice and white flour, which are low in nutritional value and fiber. Instead, replace them with healthy white flour products such as brown rice, whole wheat pasta, and pita bread. 2. Processed meats. Try abstaining from processed and cured meats such as bacon, sausage, and salami. The better alternative for animal protein would be an omega-3, as well as protein-rich fish such as salmon, tuna, or mackerel. Keep in mind that fish is the best animal protein source you can provide your body with. It's even better than poultry. 3. Added sugars. The Mediterranean diet limits added sugars, so if you are firm in your decision to follow this diet, abstain from it altogether, or at least drastically limit its intake. In other words, stay away from candy, most of the baked goods, as well as syrup-sweetened drinks such as artificial juices and soda. However, if you are one of those people who can't live without sweet food, fruit, or even baked goods made with natural sweeteners, honey, cinnamon is a much healthier alternative. 4. Butter. Instead of relying on butter or animal fats, replace them with a much healthier option: olive oil. Of course, you can still try eating other forms of dairy, feta cheese, for example, but try to be as moderate as possible. 5. Hard liquors. While being on this diet, you need to replace hard liquors with wine. However, this doesn't mean that you should drink a bottle of wine with each meal. Drink 1 glass, no more, no less. 6. Hydrogenated oil. Although olive oil is a healthy choice on the Mediterranean diet, you need to avoid hydrogenated oils such as oils like palm oil as well as palm kernel oil. 7. Red meat. The Mediterranean diet treats animal protein more as a complement to the diet rather than its main dish. And that is precisely the reason as to why you should limit all meat intake, including red meat. In fact, you are allowed to eat red meat just a few times a month whilst being on this diet. Foods not to eat on the Mediterranean diet. As can be seen, despite the wide variety of meal options the Mediterranean diet offers, there are still certain kinds and amounts of food you need to stay away from. Remember what you can and cannot eat to stay on your track whilst keeping yourself in a healthy and excellent shape. If you want to know more about the Mediterranean diet and how to start it, then please visit our website and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks.